Alright, just a quick review on the Bulgarian PF90. We'll start with the bag, I suppose. There's the bag, very Soviet-like. The insides, pockets. Yep. Yeah, it attaches with Velcro over there. It's a nice bag, quite thick, very reminiscent of the PMG ones, I think. Yeah. Well, Bulgaria still issues the PMG, so that's where that's come from. These typical green straps. Bulgaria in general seems to love the colour green. So there. Not much else to say about it. The filter. It's made by Zebra of Bulgaria, so is the mask. They don't manufacture filters anymore though. They haven't since the mid-2010s. There we go. And I believe that's the date, 2001. No. Just a moment. Yeah, that must be the date. But yeah, it's got a particulate layer on the bottom. There we go. The filters from 2001. These are not manufactured anymore, and if you see Bulgaria using masks for their military, they normally use the Czech-made ones now. It's a NATO threaded mask, by the way, as you can see. Where is it? There. Yep. And now the filter. Oh, the mask. Sorry. It's interesting in that it looks like a S6 and S10 had a botched clone. Kinda. Mostly it kinda just looks like the S6, which makes sense because Bulgaria are pretty close to Turkey in proximity, and Turkey used an S6 copy. It's got some sort of plastic lenses, very high quality. They feel strong. Side port size 2, which is normal. Dated 1999, I think. Yeah. The PF90 was supposedly adopted in 1990, but I'm not too sure about that. I've never seen an example that old. Mine's got a bit of cracking around it. Whatever rubber they used, or however it was stored, clearly didn't do it any favors. It's got this very odd and complex harness. It's sort of soft rubber pad at the back, and then all these stitchings are quite thick. Yeah. And we'll go to the inside of the mask. Despite how dilapidated my mask looks, it's actually rather strong, surprisingly so. I'm not going to pull it over like that, I'm just going to do that. You can see the peripheral seal, the crimpings that keep the, well, that's rubber, but it's got a crimping underneath that keeps the lenses in place. There's the oral nasal cup, it's quite comfy. It's got an excellent voice diaphragm despite how small it is. As you can see, that's the side, that's where the air comes in from. And yeah, there's not much else to really say. There's the drinking tube XL valve. Might be able to show you the port on the inside, side port. It's down there somewhere. Alright. It's very soft rubber on the inside. It's in general very soft rubber. Wish it was made of something thicker. XL valve, drinking tube, which is compatible with US style ones. It is very hard to take out though. Oh. Alright. Jeez. Oh, there we go. See? Just a black version of the US ones. That's really all to see there. Oh yeah. So you push it in and it seals between that rubber stuff there, and that's why it's so hard to pull out. PF90 again. Side. I'll unscrew the side if possible. I have a theory that this may be Goss threaded on the side. You never see the side port in use, and it has a Russian style valve and intake. It's very tight if you try and put any NATO filters into it, but it seems to prefer GOST threaded ones. The bottom one here is definitely NATO though, no question about that, German style. There we go. Only thing left to do is really talk with it on, I guess. Alright. Through some way, my PF90 still seals despite how it looks. This is the diaphragm. I find it quite clear and easy to hear through, or speak through. It fits my face very well. It's very comfy, quite easy to breathe through. Although it really has to be tight. You get a really good peripheral vision with it too. So there's that. Ugh. Yeah. Very soft rubber on the inside, very comfy. There we go. On the inside there is a little thing that says 1. Not sure what that's about. For all I know, that could be size 1 oral nasal cup, but I doubt that Bulgaria was advanced enough to fit people like these. They only made less than about 1,000. No, I don't remember. But they didn't make many of these, and there's 2 batches of them. There's the first batch, which is what this is from, and then there's the second batch, which was made in the 2010s. These are no longer manufactured. They're only manufactured to order in large size. And the cat's trying to get in the video. Go away. Yeah, don't know what else to say about it now. I'm going to finish this video before the cat... Yeah. Alright, thank you for watching.